Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So let's take a look at the wave count here on the Solana chart. Obviously we talked about it's a bit of an unreliable one because we're dealing here most likely with some kind of a weird diagonal structure. However, we are bullish as long as 2240 is holding. There are two wave patterns that can work out in a bullish way short term. We talk about short term here. Because medium term we are bullish as long as the $12 level is holding, but that's not a secret. We've been talking about that for many months. Yeah, actually for more than half a year. We've highlighted the importance of the $12 level. That's the 78.6 retracement. The idea was that as long as the price is holding in this pullback, we can remain bullish. And so far, this was the right decision. But obviously a break below $12 would have challenged that idea. Not needed to worry about that at this stage. First of all, we need to establish that on the larger time frame, we only have a 3-wave rally so far. Also, the last rally here of the 10th of June lows is only in 3 waves, so it's still very fragile. Hasn't given us a solid 5-wave move up on a decent time frame so far. So we need to be still careful. Yeah, this could just simply be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. But even in the C wave, we should ideally get one more high. Okay, so let's see, and then it could still make a new low. I mean, that's still. We just need to be aware of that. So we're going to track, relevant bullish support along the way. If support breaks, and that was the same idea here, as long as support is holding, the focus is on higher. If support breaks, we have to be more bearish. But until support breaks, we can focus on higher. Very important. That's why on the way up here, I communicated always the relevant level that would confirm a breakout to the downside. And they never broke. Yeah. So from that point of view, again, what is the relevant level that in my opinion would confirm a breakdown? That's the 2240 level in my opinion. That's the previous swing high here. We tested that and then broke out. It's basically the breakout point. A sustained break below the previous breakout point to the upside would have bearish implications. Until then, we have 2 bullish wave counts we can follow. They reveal to us the relevant levels. So first of all here, looking at the yellow wave count, we peaked in a 3rd wave on the 14th of July. We're currently coming down in a wave 4. That is not necessarily too deep, but very sharp. It is quite deep, but not too deep for a wave 4. We're talking here about the 50% retracement that ideally holds 2544. In this wave count, we might be working on an Elliott wave triangle at the moment. I would encourage everybody not to try to label the subwaves here. I show it in my video just to give an orientation where we might be, to offer a bit of education, but there's no point having this wave count. Yeah. Okay, it can tell you that, well, okay, we might nearly be finished with this triangle and ideally it's breaking out to the upside. It just basically explains to you from an academic perspective how this wave count would play out, but you can label that the other way around. No problem, it would break out to the downside. So be aware of the relevant support levels. Also, you can just use simple trend lines that will tell you that a breakout is imminent. Well, not imminent, but should happen soon because it's getting into the apex here. But they can always extend these triangles. That's why I highlighted in the previous video. You only have really a confirmed breakout to the upside if price breaks above $29.10, the B wave high. Then we have a confirmed breakout and can assume we are in a 5th wave. That would be further confirmed above the 3rd wave at 3230. If we break below 2544, this Elliott wave count, the sub wave count would be invalidated, but also the wave 4 is too deep to be reliable. I would then have to assume that we are in a B wave. How that fits into the larger count I will show then, but that would be a B wave and we could get one more high in a C wave. It would basically be a very similar count, just allows for a deeper pullback, which is why I'm highlighting the 2240 level, which is structural support and also very close to relevant support for the B wave. So as long as we're holding 2240 overall higher, to maintain the yellow wave count, we need to hold 2544. And yeah, this is, however, a possible count, but this wave count for the triangle can always extend until we break above $29.10. And to be fair, if it's a B wave drop that we're looking at, then we can just simply label this the other way around. Then we say, okay, the move down of the high was an A wave. We're now doing a B wave before we come down in the C wave to complete the larger B, because the B wave is an ABC structure. So the ABC, yeah. So the triangle would be B, A, B, C, D, E. And that would be the B wave. Sorry, ugly. There you go. And then a C wave down. in wave B. Yeah, so you can easily label that the other way around. Therefore, the triangle subwave count doesn't have any predictive qualities, not at all, but it's there for info, okay? So this could be a complete count now, but I have no indication it's breaking out. Much more relevant is the support. We can focus on higher as long as the support is holding. Below 2240, I would be very unsure as to how this would fit into a larger bullish count still. It would look very strange. Yeah, if this happens now, I mean, anything is possible, but I would then need to wait for further clarity. At the moment, we've got sort of decent quality, or let's say clarity, but if that level breaks, then I have a clear 3-wave top, which can still be bullish. I mean, anything can happen, but we can only track really the ideal structures. And if I have a 3-wave top, I don't have anything clearly bullish anymore, right? So we would need to be very careful then. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.